Google has added a new feature to Google Wallet that lets parents easily send money to their kids. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Google says parents can now set up a secure balance in the Wallet app for their children and teens under 18 that they can add to at any time. Kids will then be able to spend their balance using tap-to-pay terminals with their Android phone or Wear OS device. It also looks simple for parents to keep an eye on their kids' transaction activity. You'll be able to set spending limits and see transactions as they happen. If you need to crack down on your kids' spending, you can also lock and unlock the balance remotely at any time. Google said it's a practical way to teach children smart money habits and give them independence, all without needing to open a bank account. In the future, you'll be able to use this feature to set up a recurring allowance as well. Google says that soon you'll be able to set up automated regular payments. However, it's unclear when this feature will roll out. Google says in a support article that kids can't use their balances for Google services or online checkouts. A Google spokesperson said that adult-oriented merchant categories like alcohol and gambling are restricted, as are person-to-person payment. Google isn't the first company to add this kind of feature to its digital wallet app. Apple has a similar feature that lets parents set up an Apple Cash balance for their kids. Venmo and Cash App also lets parents set up teen accounts that they can track. Google has just become another service that provides this much-needed feature. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.